Welcome to this tutorial. In this session, we'll show you how to read your Audit Inspection Dashboard, tracking how many audits you're running, where each one stands, and what they're finding, so you always have the full picture at a glance. Let's get started. From the sidebar, click the search menu at the top and type Audit. This filters straight to your audit features without hunting through the menus. Click Dashboard to open the Dashboard dropdown for your system. Select the Audit Inspection Dashboard. The page loads with your audit metrics and summaries all in one place, your command center for everything inspection related. Across the top, 5 cards give you the headline numbers: total audits, scheduled, in progress, completed, and factories. In one glance, you can see how much inspection activity is moving through the system and how many sites you're covering. Up top, total audits shows the aggregate number you've run. It's a quick pulse check on how much inspection activity is moving through the system. It also opens the full list, where every audit entry sits ready to review and oversee. Back to the dashboard, you can filter by status: scheduled to see what's planned, in progress for audits underway, and completed for those finished and finalized. Reading them this way tells you instantly what's coming up and what still needs attention. The 5th card, Factories, shows the total number of sites you're auditing across the system. It's a quick count of how wide your inspection coverage reaches. Click the Factories card to open the management area, where every factory is listed for you to review, add to, or update. This is your home base for keeping each audited site on record. Back on the dashboard, the Audit Status Distribution chart shows how your audits split across each status, completed against in progress at a glance. It's a quick read on whether work is piling up at any one stage. Beside it, the Audit Results Overview summarizes your outcomes: how many came back compliant, how many non-compliant, and your average compliance score. This is where you see how your inspections are actually landing without opening a single record. Below that, recent audits list your latest inspections: the audit name, who ran it, the date, and its status. From here, you can jump back into any record that needs a closer look. And that's a wrap on the Audit Inspection Dashboard. You've just learned how to read your summary cards, manage your factories, filter audits by status, and review your results and recent activity. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next tutorial as we continue setting up your audit inspection system.